Advanced Story Understanding. From the dashboard, go to Chatbot AI and create a new story. Add keywords in the user input that a user can ask. Drag a text response and add relevant responses according to user questions. Now drag the phrase match of user input, attach it to the bot response, and add a phrase. You can generate similar phrases from AI. Drag the bot response again and add a text response. Add quick replies for your users. You can link a story, text response, or the media blocks to the node. Do the same for all the quick replies. After that, save the story. Now test your chatbot and check if the chatbot is responding properly. That's it. Thanks for watching.